Hey everybody, welcome back to Das Lab. What do we got going on here today? I'm not much of a gambler, except for, every time I make one of these videos, I put my reputation on the line. For some reason I have a whole big set of poker chips here that I got from one of our dream recycling facilities, pawn shop, if you will. And one of the problems is that this is heavy. So I've got some damage done here to the feet, and this probably weighs, I don't know, 20, 25 pounds. And what happens is we get a bunch of compression here. This tray moves around inside of here. So what I want to do is fasten the tray down better to the case and maybe fix up these feet a little bit. I actually did try, these are not the original feet on here. I did try, oh look at that. Okay, so we're in big trouble now. Okay, we're outside of the box here. So it's a piece of crap case, but we're going to try to fix it up a little bit here. So that was in there because when you put it down, there wasn't enough compression on these and they would go flying all over the place. So let's get rid of all these. Take these little buggers out here. And we'll try to see what's going on underneath inside of the, underneath this tray here. I'll bring you back in a minute once I get all these out. I don't know if I'm missing some or how many are supposed to be in each one, but it could be better. Okay, so we've got this emptied out, and well, not much to that. It just basically pops out. Oh, it looks like it was glued in at one point in time, but that didn't hold. And some sort of a reinforcing lint there. Yeah, it's pretty beat up. So what I'm hoping to do is to be able to just basically hot glue gun it into place, so that it basically doesn't slide around more than it should. And I think I'm going to go this way because I am going to need extra room across here for fixing up what's broken over here. I'll have to reinforce that with something somehow over there. I think what I'll do is I'll try cleaning this out here first. Here's one of my newest little projects. I didn't bother filming this, but it's a 4-in-1. I didn't really like using this workmate type of stand. I just didn't use it very often. So I've got on here my arbor press, I've got a drill press, I've got my grinder, and I've got my sander. All in one with its own dedicated power supply. One of the biggest things I find about grinding is it's messy. And it's nice to be able to go outside when you are doing this sort of stuff. I'm not going to do it today, but Suffices to say, I can shave this down on my little multi-purpose workstation here. See you in a sec. Alright, I got one of the legs back on. Where's the other nut? The tight fit doesn't want to go forcefully. Doesn't want to go easily. Has to go forcefully. Well, that was easy. Yeah, just give it a few taps and it came out like an extra 1/8 of an inch. No problem. Lots of threads there now. Well, that seems more stronger more than it was before. Hey, I'm a poet and didn't know it. It's about time I started to rhyme. Just sitting here with this wrench, wondering where's my sockets. What do you think, I'm stupid? Other people watch this video too, you know. Yeah. Hey, I like to gamble. Okay, I'm plugging the hot snot gun back in here because I had unplugged it. Normally I put that on a timer, that thing, because you know, you're sitting here having fun and somebody calls in your house, hey, can you come here and take a look at this for a second? And then next thing you know, you're in there for an hour and going, what am I forgetting? Oh my god, I got some hot device plugged in out in the garage. Okay, so I can glue that back in again. Yeah, that's well, you know what, the whole thing is flimsy. The whole thing is kind of flimsy. It's not like you're going from casino to casino with these things. I mean, it's just for poker night, but it is pretty cheap. Pretty cheap. What I think I'm gonna do, yeah, I'll glue this in. Put a ridge along here. And some along here. And glue that in. And excuse me. I'm at the end of it. I'm at the end of the big COVID, but yeah, so this normally went like that, but because the case flexes and everything, chips in the middle, you'd open it up, they'd be all over hell's half acre. So I wanted something that would stick out a little bit more. So I think what I'll do is I'll glue this to this. Gives it, you know, an extra little bit. Little something. So let's do that. I don't want to glue it onto this because I might have to redo the whole thing sometime. Let's do this. And we'll do that. Make sure that this is not too proud of it. Cut that off. Okay. So just to give it a bit of a buffer, you want to do that. And do half. Glue. Where'd it go? Ah. Oh God, come on, man. Glue, heat that up. One there, big one in the middle. Heat it a little. Okay. That half. That works. Pushy, pushy. Ah! Oh, I thought it was skin. It's just glue. Okay, so that's that. And then, let's see how that wants to stay in there. Because if it doesn't want to stay, I'll pack it with a bit of glue. You know what? Put a little bit of glue in the corners. What the hell, eh? Put glue there. A little glue there. Oh, a little glue there. A little bit of glue there. Well, it doesn't want to slide around anymore. It's got to be blown out again with the air gun. That seems not bad. Not bad. I can touch it up here a little bit, bridge that. Man, go through the glue fast. She goes through the glue fast. She likes the glue. She's a glue-eating machine, she is. Yeah, I think that's good. I think it's better than what it was. Wheels, got the feet sort of combobulated again. Now, I was praying the whole time we were out there gambling with my buds that what would I do if somebody, God forbid, spilled a drink or beer all over the chips in their ceramic, and I wonder how they'd clean up. So I have to hopefully not find out, but believe me, to fix it, when I know, you'll know. All right, we'll work through that together. Heat gun undone. I always use elastics for my cords. You know, you put it in the drawer. It's a unit. It really, really helps things out a lot. Okay, so I'm gonna blow this out and repopulate it. I might even color code them. Okay, see you in a minute. Okay, there you go. They're all back in. I mean, there's probably a few missing. Some rows seem a little tighter than others. You know, somebody probably left the casino or wherever we were playing with a few. So let's see how it stands up. A little tight there on the side. Doesn't want to really cinch up. Is it locked? There we go. That's how it goes. And when it's being transported, it's in this method, and you'd probably put it down like that. So does it stand up? Barely. And tossed around a bit. Let's see how it made out. No, not too bad. Not too bad. I'm not going to complain about that too much. Didn't slide all over the place. You know what? It did too. It slid. That's okay. Well, I'll just take it easy when we go touring around. Where's next stop? Monaco, I think. And then back to Vegas. And then probably Atlantic City. Or Atlantis. I don't know. I always get those two mixed up. that's all we got for this time on you, on Das Lab, on you. Have fun. If you like what you see, subscribe down below as always, and hit that like button. And for God's sakes, don't get any on you. See you next time.